Hello everyone. Are you a pharma distributor and want chemists' orders to come directly into your computer? Usually, you depend on phone calls, salesman visits, or apps to take orders. But this takes a lot of time and often leads to mistakes. That's why Marg ERP has introduced a smart feature, ERP to ERP ordering, which fully automates and simplifies your ordering process. With this feature, you get a seamless experience. Orders from the chemist's ERP will directly show in your ERP. Chemists will get full visibility of your live stock and prices. And you can handle more orders even with less staff. If you are a pharma distributor, the first step to activate ERP to ERP is registration. For this, go to the e-business option from the Marg ERP master menu. The registration window will open. Click on Company Registration. A registration pop-up will appear. Here, fill in your registered mobile number, email ID, contact number, and contact person's name. Then click on the Register button. You will see a Successful Update pop up or just click OK. Once you click OK, set Update Server Data to Yes. Your registration process will then be complete. After registration, you will see the company ID on the top right corner. Now, let's see the item mapping process. From the Marg ERP dashboard, click on ERP to ERP. Here, you can see all mapped and unmapped items. If any item doesn't show, you can use the filter option to find it. If your items are not auto-mapped, click on Bulk Upload for auto-mapping. Or, to map manually, search the item, click the Map button, select the matching item, and confirm. Next step is Retailer Mapping. Go to the Marg ERP dashboard, click on ERP to ERP, and choose Retailer Mapping. Here, chemists who place orders through ERP to ERP will be auto-mapped. You can also click on the Auto Mapping button to auto-map chemists. If you don't want to take orders from a particular chemist, you can reject them. If a new chemist is not in your ERP but you want to map them, click on Map with ERP. Here, you will see chemists who use ERP to ERP for online orders but are not in your software. For such chemists, you can create a new ledger and link them to your ERP. Now, let's see how chemists' orders appear in Marg ERP. From Marg ERP, go to Digital Entry. Here, under Online Orders, you can see chemists' orders. In the Source section, you can check from where the order has come, ERP to ERP, e-order, or e-retail. For example, if the order came from ERP to ERP, just click on Generate Bill. If you maintain bill series, you will need to select it. If not, the system will directly generate the bill. Once the bill is generated, it will show in the chemist's ERP under Online Purchase Import. The chemist just has to click on Generate Bill, and a purchase invoice will be ready. So now, activate ERP to ERP in your Marg ERP and make your ordering process smart and error-free. Thanks for watching.